Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Today we will learn W2 optimizer tutorial. WP optimizer tutorial. First, when you go to your dashboard, you go to plugins, install plugins. You type WP optimizer. This is the plugin that I'm talking about. So you click install. It's installed. So when you search for WP optimizer, you click install. Yes, it is installed, and you click activate. It is activating. The plugin is activating. Good. After it has activated, you move to this is the plugin WP optimizer. You click it. You click it. So you click, you go here, images. You click on images. Yes, when you click on images, you go to here. First, you enable this auto compare new added image. After that, you come here. And after you finish, you then come here. After you finish, you then come here, select all. Because of network, you will see all my images here, but because of network, so you click select. Because of my network. So after you finish, you save. You save it. You save the option. You save it. Yes, it has successfully saved. Good. After here, if not good, and here you move to crunch. You enable this. Good. You enable it, and you leave it 24 hours. So every 24 hours it will crunch, and you click save. You go here, preload, activate. Okay, here you run. Let's run this. Good, it is running. It is running. So you finish, you save. Good advanced setting. Here you not touch anything here. You come here to the same thing. You move to minify. Here you enable it. So you enable it. Enable it. Yeah, so this is how the rupee optimizer you will. So here you come here, yes, so this is how the rupee optimizer is done. Thank you very much.